Okay, testing my GoPro today, finally. But there is part. My gimbal lost. I mean, it's not lost. It's not working. My gimbal is not working. And another news is the gimbal, which one I bought, is already not compatible for GoPro 10, which I haven't tested before, and now I can't return it because I returned it over. So it's kinda like I have to buy a new one, but it is not available for 10, so I have to buy a new one. And I'm not sure which one is right now working because today is the first day of taking shots. What kind of shots I'm taking, I don't know. So it's totally testing mode. Don't know what's going on. I have to check everything. I don't know what's happening, but I have to check every single thing because the thing I thought is not working here. I need to fix many things. I need extra batteries and also need to set up. I just updated everything, but it's not working properly, so I'm using my phone as well. And another fact, it is going to sleep mode quickly, so need to set up. Proper setup I need. Oh, I don't know. And quality, after going home, when I will import the video, I will check the quality and then I will talk about the update as well.